Hey, it's Nicole from supplyhouse.com, and today we're going to talk about the Runtal UF Series baseboards and wall panels. Providing a direct replacement for fin tube or cast iron baseboards, these radiators are made of welded steel, giving a sleek and durable performance in heating applications. Uniform fittings allow each radiator to be piped 8 different ways, and continuous mounting eliminates the need for backing. All pipe fittings are 1/2-inch NPT with 1/8-inch NPT vent fittings. The UF Series baseboards are available in lengths ranging from 2 to 14 feet and heights of either 6, 9, or 12 inches. Wall panels are available in lengths ranging from 2 to 4 feet and heights of either 18 or 24 inches. All of the UF Series heaters have a depth of 1 5/8 inch. Larger units provide greater heat output. Select heaters based on the BTU requirement of each room. A variety of factory accessories are compatible with the UF Series, including standard, decorative, and thermostatic valves along with trim covers. Runtal baseboards and wall panels include a 5-year warranty and come standard in white. For more information, visit the resources at supplyhouse.com or email us with any questions.